Buying a car isn't just about the sticker price. The real cost of ownership includes maintenance, repairs, reliability, fuel economy, depreciation, resale value, and how long the vehicle remains dependable. That's why long-term value matters so much. Two of the world's biggest automakers, Volkswagen and Toyota, approach the market very differently. Volkswagen focuses on European engineering, refined driving dynamics, and premium-feeling interiors. Toyota prioritizes reliability, efficiency, and low ownership costs. Today we will talk about Volkswagen versus Toyota, which brand wins for long-term value. So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 10. Interior quality and comfort. One of the first things buyers notice when comparing Volkswagen and Toyota vehicles is the difference in cabin design and overall feel. Volkswagen has built a reputation for offering interiors that feel more premium than their price point suggests, often featuring soft-touch materials, clean layouts, and a sophisticated European design philosophy. Toyota interiors tend to focus more on practicality, durability, and ease of use. While both brands provide comfortable seating and modern amenities, Volkswagen often appeals to drivers looking for a more upscale atmosphere during daily commutes and long road trips. 9. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, Volkswagen and Toyota deliver noticeably different experiences. Volkswagen vehicles are often praised for their responsive steering, balanced handling, and refined suspension tuning, giving drivers a greater sense of engagement on the road. Toyota, on the other hand, prioritizes comfort, predictability, and ease of operation. Most Toyota models are designed to provide a smooth and stress-free driving experience rather than a sporty one. Toyota, by contrast, places a greater emphasis on comfort, reliability, and ease of use. Most Toyota models are designed to deliver a smooth, predictable, and stress-free driving experience that appeals to the broadest range of consumers. The steering is generally lighter, the suspension is tuned for comfort, and the overall driving character prioritizes relaxation over sportiness. 8. Fuel efficiency. Fuel economy plays a major role in long-term ownership costs, and both brands have made significant efforts to improve efficiency. Toyota has become especially well known for its hybrid technology, offering numerous models that deliver outstanding fuel economy without sacrificing practicality. Volkswagen also produces efficient vehicles, but Toyota's extensive experience with hybrid systems has allowed it to establish itself as one of the industry leaders in reducing fuel consumption and lowering operating costs. However, when it comes to overall fuel-saving reputation and hybrid leadership, Toyota generally holds an advantage. Its broad selection of hybrid vehicles, proven technology, and consistent focus on efficiency have made it a preferred choice for buyers looking to minimize fuel expenses over the life of their vehicle. For consumers focused on reducing operating costs, Toyota's expertise in hybrid systems and fuel-efficient engineering often provides a significant advantage, helping owners save money at the pump while lowering their overall cost of ownership. 7. Technology features. Modern buyers expect advanced technology, and both Volkswagen and Toyota offer impressive feature sets across their lineups. Touchscreen infotainment systems, smartphone integration, digital instrument displays, and driver assistance technologies are now common in vehicles from both manufacturers. Volkswagen often focuses on delivering a more premium technology experience with sleek interfaces and modern cabin layouts, while Toyota emphasizes user-friendly systems that prioritize reliability and ease of use. 6. Safety systems. Safety has become a top priority throughout the automotive industry, and both brands perform exceptionally well in this area. Toyota equips many of its vehicles with comprehensive safety packages that include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assistance. Volkswagen offers a similar range of advanced safety technologies, helping drivers and passengers remain protected in various driving conditions. 5. Maintenance expenses. As vehicles age, maintenance costs become increasingly important. Toyota has earned a reputation for affordable routine servicing and widely available replacement parts. Oil changes, brake services, and general maintenance are typically straightforward and reasonably priced. Volkswagen maintenance can sometimes be more expensive due to specialized components, European engineering requirements, and higher labor costs at certain service centers. 4. Reliability. Reliability is one of the most important factors when evaluating long-term value. Toyota has spent decades building a reputation for producing vehicles that remain dependable even after accumulating high mileage. Many owners keep their Toyota vehicles on the road for years, with relatively few major mechanical issues. Volkswagen has made significant improvements in reliability over time. But maintaining long-term consistency across large vehicle lineups remains one of the biggest challenges for any manufacturer. 3. Repair costs. Even the most reliable vehicles occasionally require repairs, making repair costs an important consideration for buyers. Toyota generally benefits from lower repair expenses thanks to its widespread availability of parts and a large network of mechanics familiar with the brand. Volkswagen repairs can sometimes be more costly because of specialized systems, imported components, and additional labor requirements. While not every repair is expensive, ownership costs can increase more quickly when major components require attention. 2. Resale value. Depreciation is one of the largest hidden costs of vehicle ownership. A car that retains its value well can save owners thousands of dollars when it's time to sell or trade it in. Toyota vehicles are widely recognized for maintaining strong resale values due to their reputation for reliability, efficiency, and long-term durability. Volkswagen models often experience steeper depreciation, which can create attractive opportunities for used car buyers, but may result in greater value loss for original owners. 1. Overall long-term ownership experience. When all major factors are considered, including reliability, maintenance costs, fuel economy, repair expenses, resale value, comfort, technology, and driving experience, both Volkswagen and Toyota offer compelling reasons for buyers to consider them. Volkswagen brings a more premium feel and engaging driving dynamics, while Toyota focuses heavily on dependability, efficiency, and lower ownership costs. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.